All right, this is on joint variation. Joint variation is a relationship between three variables, x, y, and z, and can be written in the form y equals k x z, where k again is the constant of variation. So our equation for joint variation, and how we say this, is y varies jointly with x and z. All right, here's an example. Y varies jointly as x and z, and then we give you the value of the y, the x, and the z, and we want to come up with the joint variation function. So step one, we write the equation. Step two, we're going to go ahead and substitute the y, x, and z into the equation. So the y is negative 324. The x is 5, and the z is 9. And we want to find out what is k. So we're first going to go ahead and just multiply 5 times 9 on that right side of the equation. So we get 45k. And then we're going to divide both sides by 45. So k equals negative 7.2. Step 3 is you replace the k with its value. So y equals negative 7.2 times x times z. And then in this problem, there isn't a question to answer, and there isn't a graph to be created. Example 4. The area A of a triangle varies jointly as the base B and the height h. And then we give you some values of the area, the base, and the height of the triangle. So the area A varies jointly with the base B and the height h. So we're going to change the y, x, and z to the appropriate letters. So this is A, B, and H. So here is our joint variation equation. So A varies jointly with the base and the height. So I'm just going to go ahead and change that to A equals A, B, H. Step 2 is to substitute the A, the B, and the H into the equation. Oh, I just saw a mistake here. This should be K. So the area is 12. The base is 6. And the height is 4. Now we're going to go ahead and solve for K. So I'm going to go ahead and just multiply the 6 times 4, which is 24. K. And then we're going to divide both sides by 4. So 12 divided by 24 is K. So K equals 1/2. Step 3 is to write the equation in it. So area is 1/2 base times height. And now we're going to go ahead and answer the question. So we're giving you the A is 36, the H is 8, and the b is unknown. So we substitute 36, 1/2, b, and then h is 8. And now we solve for b. So I'm going to, on the right side, say 1/2 times 8 is 4. And then divide both sides by 4. And we get the base to be 9. So what did we just found? We found the base of the triangle to be 9 meters when we give you the area and the height.